Hello students, welcome. Previously, lesson 2, form 4, topic 5, we were dealing with the chemistry of sodium metal and we have done the occurrence of sodium and also the extraction of sodium metal. So today, lesson 3, we want to proceed to the physical properties of sodium metal, and in this lesson, we are going to do the physical and the chemical properties of sodium metal and also the uses of sodium metal. So kindly stay with us until the end of the video. So in the physical properties of sodium, we are saying sodium is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Remember, sodium is a metal and we said metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, and that's due to the presence of localized electrons in their structure. Number 2, we are saying it is soft silvery metal, thus it is easily cut with a knife. Thirdly, we are saying it's less denser than water. That means it has low density. Number 4, we are saying it has low melting point of 97.8 degrees Celsius and boiling point of 883 degrees Celsius. Number 5, we are saying it has metallic luster when freshly cut. Number 6, we are saying it is ductile, that it can be drawn into wires. Then lastly, we are saying it's malleable, that means it can be hammered into a sheet. Next, we are going to go to the chemical properties of sodium metal. We are going to start with the reaction of sodium with air, and we are seeing sodium burns with a yellow flame in air to form a mixture of products, namely sodium oxide and sodium nitride. The question for those reactions will be 4 moles of sodium metal reacting with 1 mole of oxygen gas, giving us 2 moles of sodium oxide, which is solid. The second equation will be 6 moles of sodium metal reacting with 1 mole of nitrogen gas, giving us 2 moles of sodium nitride, which is solid. So the second chemical property, that's part B, will be reaction of sodium metal with chlorine, and we're going to say sodium reacts with chlorine to form a white fumes of sodium chloride, and the equation for that reaction will be 2 moles of sodium metal reacting with 1 mole of chlorine gas, giving us 2 moles of sodium chloride solid. The third chemical reaction of sodium will be reaction of sodium metal with dilute acids, and we are saying sodium reacts explosively with dilute acid, so it should never be attempted. So number 4, reaction of sodium metal with cooled water, and we are saying sodium reacts explosively with cool water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So the equation for this reaction will be 2 moles of sodium metal will react with 2 moles of water, which is liquid, giving us 2 moles of sodium hydroxide solution and also hydrogen gas. Next, let's go to the uses of sodium metal. Number 1, we are saying sodium is used in the manufacture of sodium cyanide, which is used in the extraction of gold. Number 2, an alloy of sodium with lead is used in the manufacture of tetraethyl lead, used as anti-knock additive in petrol. Number 3, an alloy of sodium and potassium is used as a coolant in nuclear reactors because the alloy is a liquid at room temperature. Number 4, sodium vapor is used in street lamps, which gives a yellow-orange light. Then lastly, number 5, we are saying molten sodium is used as a reducing agent in the extraction of titanium from titanium for chloride. Lastly, we are going to go to the extended questions on the chemistry of sodium metal. We are going to have 2 questions, so kindly have a look of those questions and try to answer on your own. So this is question number 1. It's up to that part. Then we go to question number 2. Question number 2 is somehow long. Kindly have a look at it. Okay, those are the questions.